blocked by Troy Stetcher, the defenseman back. And Stetcher starts the breakout. Hansen got hit at center ice. Back the other way, and another player down as the puck goes into the net. And Jannik Hansen goes after Nazem Kadri. Daniel Sedin is hurt.
Right on the heels of the hit in the neutral zone by Reilly.
Reilly on Hansen in the neutral zone. Kadri on Daniel Sedin, who's still trying to get up. And in the midst of all that, the puck went into the back of the net.
I don't even know if anybody's noticed that fact. You be the judge here. Through the middle of the ice, puck's gone, but that was more body on body. And Hansen just fell, but right here, you could see the reaction immediately. Daniel Sedin's shot goes through and no hesitation whatsoever by Jannik Hansen coming right in, and he goes right after Kadri. Shot went top shelf off the stick of Zaitsev. So a huge goal and a big momentum swing here.
Here's the first one on Hansen.
And just the way his head snapped, it looked like it was the principal point of contact, but I don't think it was there. It was right on the shoulder, and he, to his credit, got right back up. You could call it a little late. The puck was gone, no question. And Kadri launching himself up and does get Daniel Sedin. And